Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish ideas of Pixie cropped hairstyling. With beautiful haircut in short hair. Trendy ideas of hair dye. And so stylish overall collection in pixie cropped short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, and some ideas undercut with step, and so beautiful ideas of bang, and a very attractive collection of chin length bang, nose length bang, and so attractive ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, ash color, and light brown, dark brown, grey color, and some ideas funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and very beautiful collection of hairstyles. Mostly ideas of pixie cropped hairstyles in messy hairstyle, and today is my collection messy hairstyles and spiky hairstyle and some collection wavy curly hairstyling and so beautiful overall collection. In short hair in pixie cropped. Beautiful hair dye and hair styling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look very pretty, and you look too gorgeous, and you look so sweet. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.